Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Chevy Impala LT, stock number Z7082XX. Only 28,000 miles in this Impala. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Summer white in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Safe vehicle as well, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Very large trunk, one of the largest in its class. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Oversized moonroof. With driver information system, again only 28,000 miles, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones to Pandora radio apps, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, heated front seats, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones, spacious glove box, overhead, auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof and sunshade control. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter direct injection V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy, along with those 305 horses, EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCZ7082XX to 6624.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.